Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to add and set up Shopify payments. Before starting the setup process for Shopify payments, you will need first to decide on a store's currency. First, you should go to the settings on the bottom left side. Then here it will show here this page. You should scroll down till you find here stored currency. Just click on it. Then once you click on it, it will show here all the currencies that you can choose. Choose a currency, then click on the save button on the top right side. Your store currency can be different from the currency your bank account is in. For instance, your store may be located in Europe, but most of your sales happen in the US. You may want to keep the currency of your store in USD, but have your payouts in euros. It's important to note that while your store currency can be any of those listed on your store settings, the currency you receive your money in is based on where your store is located. This is because your bank account must be located in the same country as your store. If you need to change your currency after making your first sale, you'll need to contact Shopify support for assistance. Now, once you have picked a currency, you are ready to activate Shopify payments. And now to do that, you should go to the dashboard again, then click on Setup Payments, then choose Set up Shopify Payments just right here. This will take you to the payment section of your settings, where you will be able to click Complete Account Setup for Shopify Payments. If you have previously set up another payment provider but wish to switch to Shopify Payments, you will see the primary provider here, just right here. Just click on Switch to Shopify Payments just below it. Once you have activated Shopify Payments, if applicable, you will be able to enter your business number, business type, etc., and your all details, personal details, and finally your banking information. Then click on Save. And if your store is located in Europe, you should navigate to this page right here, and you will need to provide a value-added tax number or indicate that you do not have one when setting up Shopify Payments. And you will also need to choose your business type from this page right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.